Hi there, hope you're doing fine and great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to answer some of the mostly asked questions in a green card application and where people are being stuck, they don't know what to answer and where to go, what exactly do they need and how should they answer exactly. Don't worry and don't panic, you're in a right channel. I'm going to get you answers that you really need, that you've been looking for a long time, and you'll find them here. And if you're finally applied for the green card and it went through successfully, congratulations, and keep that confirmation number because that's the number you're going to come and use it coming next year. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. I will urge you to take a photo and keep it in your phone because you will use it. Wish you all the best and may luck come, yeah, that is if you have applied and it went successfully. Yeah, so today I'm here for those who have not applied yet, and then some have tried it but then they didn't understand where to go. Number one, I'm here to answer. Before we go to number one, kindly subscribe and then normalize watching the full video, because I found out in the previous video because those people are asking me the same questions, they really don't go and watch the full video. I don't normally post long videos, I just try to make them short so that you can watch, normalize finishing the video because it's just brief. Okay, for that you will understand and you'll get the whole point. Subscribe. So number one, someone is asking me, I have kids and then they all written in English name and I'm not married, they don't have a father's name. How will I do that one? Correct, that is a very good question. One thing I could advise, wherever you're applying for your green card, say you have kids, that one, right? Yeah, if you have kids, write them. Don't say no, I don't have kids, or they want single. No, write you have kids. Be proud of your kids. Write you have kids and then mention the names of your kids so that it can't bring problem wherever you are. Maybe you are selected and then later on you come and claim you have kids. That one won't make sense because they say you didn't mention them anywhere. Okay, mention your kids in that form, mention the names, and that is it. Yeah, you're good to go. Write them, no matter how the names, no matter what they, write them. Okay, don't say no, don't be in doubts like, should I write them, should I not write them, they don't have father's name or whatever, I'm single but then I have kids. Just write your kids. Okay, mention them. It will be very important and very mindful. Another question someone is asking me about the photo. This one I had given the checklist in my previous video. Kindly go and watch with my previous video, the checklist in the green card lottery. Go and check it. So but here I'm going to just give a brief idea. So someone is asking which application that I can use, which app exactly to take that photo, whatever. I'm going to put the app here so that you can see. You download, you go to app and then put your photo by yourself, either selfie, straight, and then you can either take in that app, you take it directly from that app, or you take it from the gallery, either way, and then you go and have it there to be checked if it's straight, if it's whatever. I'm not going to repeat it, but then I had said in a previous. But if you are new here, let me just say, okay, this app, you go and it puts everything straight for you and it check. So whatever the picture is wrong, it will just tell you like, no, this it's just X. You put a red X, that means you have to repeat it. So for the photo, some said, yeah, it's white or off white. I agree, white of white, it doesn't make any difference. So white, even my background is not white, but it's so long as it's bright, like a bright color, you understand. So I guess for the photo, go and check in my previous video, because I've given in length about that one. But for the app, I just put the app here so that you can get the app and download it and use it. And the app doesn't, yeah, the app, you can download it for free, but you're going to use that photo, you're not going to use it for free. You have to pay for it. You have to pay, but don't panic, it's not that much. You just pay around 400 Kenyan money, 400 shillings, that is. 400 is just like a, now I'm going to say $1 or something, but it's just 400 Kenyan money. Okay, yeah, that's the time. After you have taken, it has given you a checklist, like everything tick. Now it's time to download it, because you have to download it from that app. They can't allow you unless you pay for it, so you have to pay for that picture. So, and then don't panic and say, oh, I'm not going to pay, it's a scam. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. So long as they have given you whatever you asked for, pay for it. Okay, pay for it. Don't say it's a scam. Or if you don't really, you can't do it, you can opt to go to the cyber. They take you the photo, or the studio, they take you the photo. Either way, you can decide which one to go. But then I've given you a very easy way, that is if you're really doing it by yourself. And this green card application, you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself. It's so simple. You can either use your phone if your phone is supporting the data. That is it. Another commonly, which question is this one? The district of birth. The district of birth, use your identification card. This one I'm insisting, use your identification card, because that's why it has stated there. And then which one is this one? Which one is this one? The address. The address is optional, but if you decide to put the address, then put the correct address. Okay, it's optional, you can leave it. Or if you decide to put that address, put the address you're living in. If you're living in Kiambu, rate Kiambu, whatever, and then the correct codes. Keep the correct codes. Don't guess the codes, just look at the correct codes. You can go to Google and see the Kiambu whatever codes and just get to know your code. Yeah, write the correct code. That one is optional, okay? So you don't need to panic. Imagine that thing is so easy as A, B, C, D, just like that. So you don't need to panic. You can, if you really sit, you can apply for yourself. For the marriage, if you're married, I've said yeah. If you're married, apply you're married, yes. And after you have applied, go and look for the documentations of marriage. That is, how do they call the documents of marriage. Go and look for them. But if you're married, say yes, you're married, and mention the person you're married to. Okay, so easy like that. And then if you feel like the video was okay, just mention in the comment below. And then if you feel like there's somewhere you need more clarifications before you do it, kindly comment in a comment section. Let me know what, if you are satisfied, let me know if you really understood, or I should, give a repeat. And then if you applied it and then you weren't successful, and then you have some ideas to share that I didn't knew, that I have not mentioned, kindly let us learn together. Let's mention in a comment section below. And it's good, when you share your thoughts, it will help someone. I might not know everything, but here it's sharing the thoughts. I can't apply for everyone, my hands are tied. Kindly, I'm just giving you how. So for those who are sending me pictures, I may not help because overloaded. You understand? This thing is, you can do it with yourself. So I'm giving it in easier way, so that wherever you're going to do it by yourself, you will just get, understand. And then some said I didn't get I applied and then I didn't get the confirmation number. You didn't download it. What happened? You just left the whatever without downloading it? I don't understand. that is the only question that I'm mostly asked. And then I guess I've given you, if you feel like I've given you the correct answer, whatever you need, just say I'm happy. Just say I'm happy. Okay, let me know if you're let me know your thought. Let me know how much you got my content, how much you were educated, how much did I help. Did I help you? Did I help you? Write in a comment section and let's share thoughts. And wherever you're going to do so, congratulations. That means it's a very big step you're making in life. A very big step you're making in life. That means you've decided, your mind is fully, if you're going to apply, don't panic or out. Some people are saying this one. Let me say, for those who are applying, before I finish my video, there's some people saying I can't apply because I don't have a place to where to go and live. I don't have anyone. I don't have a relative. Just do it. God will provide. God will provide. Don't say I don't have a relative. I don't have anyone to hold me my hand. I don't have anybody to support me. Do it. Don't stop doing. There is nothing good like trial. Do it. Try it. It can come. And then if it's selected and you find one of, don't panic, like, where am I going to stay? Where am I going to live? Who is going to accommodate me? So I'm worried. Don't be that kind of person who get worried because things are not working. No. Do it. Let it come. Be successfully. And then, you know what? The rest, God will provide. Okay? So don't panic. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really happy. And let me know in the comment section each and every, ask me questions. I'm here to answer you. Let me know if you have watched. And today, kindly let me know, each and everyone watching, let him or her comment. I'll be happy if each and everyone comment. Okay? Let's have that discussion in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. I found out that most of you are watching without subscribing. I don't know why you're not subscribing. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. Bye.